to Beautiful Experiences for You, and welcome to the recap video. The 3 prior videos, I unboxed a Wantable themed edit in each of those videos. And today we're going to talk about what did I keep? What did it cost? And what am I sending back? So starting first off, we have got the... Oh, sorry, you guys. Here we go. Like, I had everything laid out and then I didn't. So from the first box, the best sellers. This was one of the items in there. I did not think I was going to like it, but I actually do love it. It is a lightweight sweater. It needs pressed, but it is super comfy. It is super soft, and I absolutely love it. This was an item that I requested, and I am going to keep it, and it is $74. The next item that I also requested that I am going to keep, but I need a smaller size, is these skirts. It is super comfy. It is super soft. The insides have a little like stretchy material for the skirt part, so they are super comfy. Just need to exchange for a smaller size. Those are pricey. Those are pricey. Those are pricey. Those were $90. So yeah, pricey, but I do love them and they're super comfortable. They look really good on. And then they also had, if you keep one item out of your box, you get this item to keep for free. So it is a gold bangle bracelet. So I will be keeping this item as I am keeping 2 of the other items as well. So price for these 2 items minus my styling fee came to $144. Now we need to add tax on that as well. So 2 items plus a free bangle, $144 minus my styling fee. And that is for the limited edition best sellers style edit. Moving on to the next edit is the Coastal Club. Now, out of the Coastal Club, I'm also only keeping 2 items. The first is the Northampton shorts. These I also need to send back. I need to get a smaller size in those as well. And these were $69. And then I'm keeping a sweater here as well. This sweater I find is pricey as well, but it looks really good on. And I'll get a lot of use out of it. So I am keeping it, and this sweater was $89. I tried it on because I was questioning whether or not you would be able to see through it because of how it is made, but it's fine for me. So I will be keeping this item. So after you subtract the styling fee, the shorts and this sweater are going to be $144, and then I am going to have to pay sales tax. The next box is my summer social. And for those of you that have not watched my unboxing for the summer social, I think you definitely need to go back and check that out. Otherwise, you are going to be totally wondering, why is this a summer social? Because there's nothing summery here. But regardless, it's stuff that I love. So what am I keeping? Okay. The first thing I'm keeping is this sweater, and it was $69. It is super soft, and I loved it. I love the color. It's a bright color, and you can see I tried them on because I didn't pull the sleeves back out. I just basically threw them on, took them off, threw them on, took them off. So here we go. This is being cut. It's very me, very me. Look really pretty with a dainty gold little necklace. The next item is a heavy sweater, but I love it. And it is pricey as well. $79, you guys. Or more. But I love it. It's an oatmeal color with like burgundy lettering. I love it. So I'm keeping it. The next item I have selected to keep is $59, and I cannot keep, I could not keep it because it has vacation written on it. And that is my most favorite thing in the world, besides my baby kitty cats. Also, I have decided to keep this sweater, which is $69, and it's one I did request. It is this green sweater, and at the bottom, you can see here, so it's just not a plain green sweater. So I'm keeping that. So I had selected to keep 4 items. Now, this is where math comes into play, you guys, because if you keep 5 items or more, you get 20% off. There's one item on this box I was on the fence on. Now, the other boxes, the math didn't play out. There were a couple items I was on the fence about, but for the price, no, wasn't gonna do it. This box, however, I didn't need to do math. What I was on the fence about was the other vacation mode sweatshirt. Okay, it's very well made. I love that it says vacation mode, but it was pricey at $70, you guys. And I'm like, how can I justify $70 for that? Well, I did the math. And what I mean by that is, hold on, you guys. I did my math wrong. No, okay, I'm only off $5. That's okay. See, I did my own math wrong. So if I just kept the 4 sweaters after my styling fee, it would have been $260. Now, to add on, and gosh, there's gonna be people out there that correct my math or redo and check my math, and I'm probably doing it wrong, and someone will correct me. That's 100% okay. But if I add on this sweatshirt, I will qualify for the 20% off, which would then mean this sweatshirt is only going to cost me $10, and that's totally worth it for me, plus the tax. So this bundle before tax is $270. So for total, which I did not do, 270, 410, we're looking at about $550, $560 plus tax, and I'm getting a pair of shorts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sweaters, and a sweatshirt. So I guess that's good. I guess that's good. It's so hard to tell now. You know, prices are crazy. And to be honest with you, I'm not 100% convinced that the prices are going up for the reasons they say they're going up. Part of me feels like people are just using this as an opportunity to increase prices, but I don't know. I don't know 100%. That's just what I feel. But things cost more money now than they used to. So that is where we're at today, and what I'm keeping, what I'm sending back. Each of these edits had 9 items in it. So here is things that are going back. I do have 1 extra box that is coming this week that I'll be unboxing and sharing with all you, and I might even have 1 other one coming. So more to come. Overall, I am very happy with Wantable this go around. I think I'm just going to have to find summer shirts myself, be 100% honest, because with me being picky about my arms, I think it's going to be challenging unless I like outright pick short sleeves for them to find things that I like. So what I have, I'm very happy with. And now I just have another reason to go shopping because I need summer shirts. So, all right, guys, hope all is going well for you. If you enjoyed this, would love for you to stick around, click subscribe, click like, give me some comments, tell me what you think, and we will talk again later. Thanks, everyone. Bye-bye.